Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now Glynis, my friend Glynis Greenwood, she sent another parcel of yarn and a lot of people are saying, why is Glynis sending you so much? Well, Glynis has, she's moved into a smaller house and she is destashing. She's clearing out all her huge selection of yarn and Motley. What's that from? Is it? But you know that's from Glynis. Can you tell that's from Glynis? Is it from Auntie Glynis? Is it? Motley loves Glynis. Look. Are you having a little look? Right, we're going to open this now. She's got on the top here, open here. She's got open here. So we're going to open it from this end. Oops, in your face a little bit, and I'll move my camera up if I can. There we go. Hello, it's a big bag. My goodness. Oh, you're so excited. What? Do you know there's treats in there? You do. She always puts treats in the bag. So I'm going to open it here. She's got open here so that we don't squish anything. And she's made another little blanket for Motley. She told me that anyway, that she was making another little blanket for Motley. Look at this, is pretty. Oh my goodness. There we go. Right, I'll just get that fixed. We'll fix it a little bit. There we go. Oh, look at that. Pretty. Look at you. He's looking at it. He always knows there's going to be treats in the bag. She's put a big bag of treats in there. Hang on, we'll just give him one and I'll get him out of the way with one of the treats. Now look at that. That is so pretty. She's made him a little snuggle blanket just so that he can lay on it and snuggle in at night time. That is so pretty. Look at your blanket. Look at that. Is that for you? He's hiding himself under it. Is that from Glynis? Oh, can you smell any Glynis? You can smell any Glynis. Oh, she gives me treats. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, what's that? Can you see that? Oh, it's that nice blanket. Oh, right, you take it. You want to take it? Right, you take it. Oh, he's off with it. He's away with it. Right, so we're going to just zoom into this bag. I think I need to put it on. I want to put it onto a smaller seat so that we can see into this properly. So I'll fix the bag up a little bit and I've opened it up a little bit more on the seat that I've got here. Oh, there's a little tin. Oh, look at that. That's a, what? There's no, you're not getting any more tweets, no. Look at this. Now, Glynis has already sent me a little button. Oh, look at those. Look at those. They're little, like little hands. I've never seen buttons like that before. My goodness. There's little triangles. Look at those. And little flowers. What's that one? That's a little ladybird. Look at that. Look at these. I've never seen buttons like that before. I've seen little flowers and little ladybirds and things. No, there's nothing else for you. Look at Motley down here. Look at these, are beautiful. Look, these would be pretty just stitched onto a blanket, wouldn't they, if you don't actually use it. Look at them, they look like little faces. That's brilliant. Oh, look at that one. What's that? Oh, it's a little teddy bear. Is that a teddy bear? It's a little teddy bear. And there's another one. And I like these little hearts. Look at that. That is brilliant. Thank you so much, Glynis. Put them back in there. That's brilliant. I've got that one back. Molly's running off with it. Thank you so much, Glynis. I've got a nice little button collection. Now, let's have a look. Oh, look. Now, she told me that she was sending me a ball of this Do you remember she sent a ball of that in the last one and it didn't have a label? This is called Mother of Pearl Baby Double Knitting, and it's got like a lurex through it, and it's really pretty. It's a really pretty shade of pink. Now that noise you can hear is just Muttley running across the floor. It says Clifford Street Mills in Bradford. The shade number is 3004. Now I think this is an older brand of yarn, and I don't think you would get this again unless you found it on eBay. I don't know, maybe Glynis will tell me anyway that if you can still buy that. That is so pretty. I'm going to put that down in my box. I've got a box down there in the corner, and oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Look at the shade of that. This is Knitting Essentials. It's a 50-gram ball. It's 100% acrylic. It's called Aqua, this one, and there's another one there. So there's two of that. That is really pretty. So we've got this really nice sort of custard coloured cotton. That's nice. And that one, that's just a little yellow double knitting. That's pretty together. Look at that. I'll pop them aside. Little balls like that are always good for doing granny squares and things. Now there's a ball of this. Oh, what's that one? Never seen that before. Look at that. How old is this, Glynis? I'm sure you're going to tell me how long you've had these ones. Look at these ones. My mum used to do, she used to use stuff like this. It's like mohair that's in the yarn, look. And she used to make scarves with it. Now I'm going back to about the 70s. A little ball of that. And then there's that little one there. There's a ball of mixed little colours in there. Oh, that's nice. Look at, oh, that is so soft. That's really soft, that. Look at these colours. They are so pretty. It's like a chenille, but I don't know which brand. It's really nice. It's so soft. And there's another little ball of soft, fluffy. I've got one or two of those. That fluffy stuff. I think that's the Knitting Essentials. That one's so soft. Now this one's got glitter through it. You can see maybe you can see that sparkle. It's not glitter, it's like a lurex. That's really strange, that as well. It's a chenille. It is a chenille yarn. Look at that. That is nice. I like that green and purple together. I'll put that in my box. And we've got some nice white yarn. That's pretty. So's that. That's really soft. Don't know what one that is. There's another one. That is really soft, that. It's like a double knitting. It's really nice. I don't know whose one that is. It's like it's twisted rather than... It's got like a little sort of twist rather than strands. That's pretty. I'll put that down aside. There's a few more whites. There's one of that white cotton. That's pretty. And there's another white. And a white. And that white. That's a thicker one, that one. I think that's an Aran, that one. Put them in my box. What is it? What are you waiting for? Look at Motley. Look at Motley down here. Look. What are you waiting for? Huh? What is it? What are you waiting for? Now look at Motley down there and look what we have. I'm going to show you this. Look, I got a mug made. I got a mug made for my crochet hook. And if you look down at the bottom of the video, underneath this video, there's a little row, and they've got the mugs, and it's got some bags and that on it. And on the other side of it, it's got my name for my crochet channel. And they're going to make a little bit of commission, just a little bit, and it's going to go to Motley so you can get some new toys. And you want to tell everybody about your mug? Do you want to tell them to buy your mug? Do you? No? Oh, there you go. You tell people, you buy a mug. You're going to tell them, go look down there and order your mug. Yeah, good boy. You're a clever boy. I'm going to pop that aside. Pop that there. He's run off. My son's hiding over there and he's throwing stuff around. I've got this really pretty orange. Look at that. There's Motley back again. That is so pretty. And then there's a little ball rolled up like that. It's like a Jaffa orange, that. It's a double knitting. I think it's a wool blend. It feels like it. Let's have a look. It's 100% polyester. 210 metres. Shade is 629 and it's just extra value. I'll put that aside. And there's little balls of lilac here. 1, 2, 3. There's another one's 4 and another one's 5 and another one. All of that really pretty lilac. I think you like using that wool winder. Did you like using that wool winder, Glynis? I like mine as well. It's a lot of fun when you're winding up the balls like this. And they stack quite well too. I'm going to pop that aside. So that's just like a double knitting. I don't know. There's no little label. Normally she puts the little label in there. What is it? I'm not giving you any more treats. No, no, no. No more treats. Now there's another little ball of that blue. There's some reds in here. Oh, I think I've got one of those upstairs. Look how bright that red is. And it's a nice soft feel. Isn't that nice? Oh, you're taking it. It's not like you take the wool. Look at that. He never ever takes any of the wool. That's really strange. He never actually takes any of the wool. You must like that one. I'll put that one aside. And then I've got this nice red and another one of these blues. That's the Knitting Essential. So there's another one that's that stripe. She sent me some of this the last time. That stripy one. So I should have enough to get a nice big blanket made now with these beautiful colours in them. Beautiful colours. I'll put that there. Do you know Muttley's trying to take that red ball of wool out in my bag? You try to take that out of the basket. So I've got a little card. She always sends me a little handmade card to Alison and Muttley. It's just a card. There's nothing in it. There's no treats in it for you. No. See what fairy's on at this time. It's Cynthia. I think it's a daisy one. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Hope you're both healthy. Some of the wool is from Poundland. And I've put a little blanket in for Motley as a surprise. That is lovely. Thank you so much. Look at that little fairy card. She sends me a card every single time that she does the yarn. And what is this? She said she's putting she's put Nescafe Gold. I got myself a little coffee percolator. Yellow coffee. Brilliant. Finely ground roasted coffee. Brilliant. Thank you so much, Glynis. She knows I drink a lot of coffee. That is fantastic. That was a lovely surprise. Thank you so much. Now there's a glove. Is there another glove? A little winter glove. Did you know that was in there, Glynis? Whoops. Oh, there's the other one. It's been snowing up here, so she sent me a pair of gloves. Look at that. Thank you so much, Glynis. They're all woolly off the wool. So we've got some white yarn. There's a little, oh, that's nice. That feels really nice, that. Now, a lot of the time, all the little balls just get crocheted together and it makes little pet blankets. And they get crocheted into little blankets, little pet blankets, and it's really nice of Glynis to send it. There's a nice ball of double knitting white. This is Baby Soft Spun by Teddy. It's 100 grams. There's no colour, it's just 7F76 for the colour number on that one. It's really soft. It's really nice and soft baby yarn. There's a nice ball of grey. That's lovely. That feels nice and soft. There's one of green. There's a few little balls of different colours. There's some more. I'll pop them back in the bag. There's some more of that knitting essentials in a grey. That's pretty. Oh, a little paint box. A little ball of paint box. Double knitting. That is so soft. I'll pop them back in there. That is so soft. I love paint box yarn. And there's a little ball of cream and lemon. And a ball of blue. Oh, and another little tiny ball of mixed colours. Thank you so much, Glynis. I'll pop some of these back in there. Thank you so much, Glynis. It is so kind of you, and especially for the coffee to keep me going. Oh, I do. I shouldn't. I know I shouldn't, but I do. I drink a lot of coffee. And thank you so much for the treats for Muttley and that beautiful little blanket for him. And I'm sure he'll drag that way over onto his bed to curl up under. So thank you very much for watching, and another huge thank you to Glynis as well. Thank you so much, Glynis, for the yarn. It is greatly appreciated. Oops, it's falling off of there. I'll get it into my basket quite soon. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. And one last little mention for Motley. For Motley's down there he is. And Motley's mug with Motley's name on it, and it's got my crochet channel name for YouTube on there. Yes, you're going to tell everybody about it. Yes, you are. You're clever, aren't you? You are. And if you look underneath the video, then you'll see where you can get the mugs, and you just click on the picture and it'll take you to the website that does these on YouTube's behalf. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.